I'm freaking done with this.
This is the North American lawn lover.
I'm done waiting.
He is frustrated about things that are beyond his control.
Done waiting for the snow. It's snowing again. I just don't know how much more of this I can take.
He could take more. He just doesn't want to.
So I am going to clean this green off. And because I am so angry today, I'm going to do something super foolish.
That is an understatement. You're about to see a grown man cry.
Or it could just be prepping for more work, which I'm going to have to do anyway. So let's have some fun, shall we? Goddamn solid ice sheet. This snow shovel does have a metal edge like this, and I'm able to just scrape it right across the grass. And it's not pulling any of it up.
As he catches his breath, he shares with you some information that really doesn't matter.
You would think it'd just be shredding this thing, but it's not. That grass is both smoked and really super strong. But hey, you can at least tell how smooth it is because I'm just cutting right across it.
He has officially lost his cool. This is, of course, what it looks like when you feel that things are not going your way. And you have to sit and remind yourself that it's just grass. The snow will melt, and... screw it. He deserves to be angry.
I want you guys to look at this, and I want you to look good. I want you to look real freaking hard. See this? This is a grown man being super frustrated at everything right now. Okay, so I'd already broken 2 snow shovels this year. I guess that shouldn't really be a surprise that I'm shoveling off a freaking grass green at the end of April, and then I break another one. I mean, this area over here probably is gonna be melted in the next 4 or 5 days. But you know what? I wanted to get a jump on it. So, do I want to go buy a new snow shovel? Absolutely not. Why? Everything's melting. But, oh God, dude, I just want this thing to be done so I can start tearing it apart is basically how I feel right now. I just want to shred this. I want to get the Sunjo out and just rip it and tear this dead grass out. Look at these little green spots. Is it gonna come back? I don't know. I don't even give a freaking crap anymore. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna get it prepped to put down my Turfman seed. I'm gonna get this thing ready to top dress. I've just gotta get it ready. I gotta get it ready because you know what's gonna happen? It's just suddenly gonna be freaking 90 degrees. That's what's gonna happen. It's just gonna turn. And then what? Then what? Paint it, right? That's what people do. That's what people do who don't know how to take care of grass. Freaking paint their grass. Great idea. You know what? Whoever just suggested that out there, you can go shove it. I will make this place great. I promise you. But today, I'm pissed. Okay? I just want you to know.
Yes, well, perhaps you should watch one of these videos here. It might make you feel a little bit better. Go on, take a click.